Using data-specific gates in FCS Express. Gates in FCS Express by default are universal. What that means is as I move my data files through my data analysis strategy, the gates will remain in the same place for each data file. If I need to make adjustments for a given data file, we have a tool called a data-specific gate. And how I will use this is either shift and select the gate, and then when I move it, it will become a data-specific gate, and you'll see that because it becomes gray in the background. Additionally, if I do a quick undo here, I can click on the icon on the gating tab to make it a data-specific gate. And as I move sample to sample, I can make data-specific gates as needed. Now, whenever a gate is created, we also have the option to always make it a data-specific gate when moving this gate. This will allow the user to move gates. That placement will be specific to each data file. You're able to make as many or as few data-specific gates as needed to complete your analysis. Here I'm going to make a data-specific gate and shift that over. Also, with data-specific gates, I can apply them to different samples. So as I'm working through my analysis, if there is a gate that would work well for a given data file, I can expand the data-specific gates and drag that onto the plot. It's going to now update with that population and also that gate placement, but now you'll see I have a gate group. Within this group, there are two data files that are using the same data-specific gate placement. I can add as many or as few data files as needed to a data-specific gate group. This is just a brief introduction to using data-specific gates in FCS Express. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can contact us at support@denovosoftware.com.